नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट की। मार्केट्स एज यू नो टुडे वाज क्वाइट वोलेटाइल एंड सिंस फ्यू मंथ्स बैक ड्यू टू द सेवरल ग्लोबल इश्यूज मार्केट्स वर ड्रैग डाउन। आप जानते ही हैं ग्लोबली मार्केट के ऊपर प्रेशर था जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द अमेरिका इम्पोज्ड सेवरल टैक्सेस। अमेरिका increased the tariff on number of countries where India was one of them, due to which all markets were in downtrend. In India also, maximum stocks were dragged down even after the stocks were having quite good growth as per the results, like Exilia. Exilia is one of the best IT-based stock is giving a quite good dividend yearly basis. In parts, the stock gave few months back 40 rupees around dividend per share. 6th Feb, the stock gave 45 rupees dividend per share. Stock is dragged down now at around 1200. Stock has potential to move on ahead. Just matter of patience you need to keep, and you need to buy in steps. There are many such stocks that were dragged down even after the results were quite fantastic. Stocks like Galaxy Surfagent. The stock was also previously recommended by me at 2240 and the stock target was 2800, which hit, and later on the stock is dragged down. Today the stock is around 1850, I guess. Stock is quite good. You can buy in steps. Nothing to worry. Stock has potential to move on. After that, as you know, the metal stocks like gold, silver, they were boosted like a rocket, which was unexpected. Nobody expected that the metal stocks like gold and silver will. Now each and every investor is searching for a stock that could give good results, good output on their investment. So I have brought one stock for you. Fundamentally, the stock is quite good. As you know, every time I am bringing a stock based on the fundamentals. The stock is from IT sector. Stock is at a range of 130 rupees. 2 days back the stock results were announced, third quarter results. Continuously the stock is quite stagnant and improving its revenue. Sales are fantastic in all aspect as per the rate and the valuations. The stock previously was suggested by me at 166 and the target was 250, where it hit 270. Later on 24 rupees dividend was been given by the stock, and today it is trailing at 130 rupees. The stock is quite good enough in IT sector. I would like to suggest it for buy. You can take suggestion from your expertise, your friends, your colleagues. Stock has potential, as per my point of view, to move on and give around 60% of gain upside. I'll be back again with more stocks after searching for you. Have a nice day. Trade safe. Thank you.